Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to turn off Suggest Contacts on Android. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can access all your device's settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, look for the search bar option at the top of the screen and click on it. The search bar makes it easy to find specific settings quickly. Step 3. Now, type Gboard in the search bar. This will bring up relevant search results related to Gboard. Step 4. In the search results, look for the Gboard option and tap on it. This will open the Gboard settings. Step 5. Once you're in the Gboard settings, scroll down until you find the text correction option and tap on it. Step 6. In the text correction menu, you should see the Enabled Suggest Contacts option. Step 7. Finally, tap to turn off the Suggest Contacts option on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Suggest Contacts on Android. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.